So this you have stated by your wordplay and your instructions. Your instructions you're giving us should be instructions for you. Why? Because you are the object of love for the four kinds of living entities in Vrindavan. That's so funny. It's Tanu Britam, because in the verse the word is embodied living beings. So that, Britam means living, Tanu means body, or living, Tanu and Britam. So living entities. So they say, what a very beautiful sentence the gopis are saying here in this phrase. They say Tanu Britam, and Jiva Goswami says, do you know what the gopis are saying? Preshto bhavam tanu britam kila bandoratma. What are the gopis saying? They're saying, because this word ishe, twaishe, means you are capable of saying, because you're ishe, they say upadeshapada, you're giving all these instructions, twaishe, as the ishe. Do you know what we mean when we say you're ishe? That means you're capable, because isha means capable of saying or doing anything, since you're the teacher. Let those instructions that you're giving, upadeshapada twaya, let those instructions be for twaya, you. Those should be your instructions, not us. Why? Because you are the Tanu Britam. You are the object of love for the four kinds of living entities living in Vrindavan. So please tell me, what are the four kinds of living entities living in Vrindavan? There's humans, there's beasts. Beast means dogs, cats, bili means cat, goats, camels, cows, buffalo. These are called beasts, pashu. So there's manush, there's pashu, there's paki, and machli. Well, there's actually more, but because you get into the trees and plants, there's quite a few. But somehow, maybe there's some other categorization. But what the essence, I don't want you to get lost in, in trying to figure out, anthropology or whatever, so many living entities in Vrindavan. But the key point they're saying is, what they're really trying to say is, the preshto bhavam tanu britam, that you, what they're saying here is, that you are the object of love for every living entity in Vrindavan. This is the point. The grass is one of the living entities that we didn't mention in our four categories, but they're living entities. So the grass in Vrindavan is the object of love for Krishna. Krishna steps on the grass with his soft lotus feet, and the grass bends down. Oh, Krishna, you're stepping on me. And then the grass, when he walks, it comes up. And then the earth, which the grass and the grass on the earth is the hair of Mother Bhumi. So when Krishna puts his foot on the grass of Vrindavan, the grass feels the love of Krishna and stands on end after he leaves. Bows down in humility, then stands on end. And Bhumi is so ecstatic that the hair on Vrindavan, which is the grass standing on end, then in her ulas of her anubhav, she manifests a lotus flower. It's called land lotus.